Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Admirable Andani Art and Craft. So welcome back to my channel, and as you guys know that our festival Raksha Bandhan is around the corner. So I thought that to share how to make Raksha Bandhan Puja Thali with the combo of Rakhi. So let's begin with it. But before starting guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications about my coming videos. And guys, I want to thank you that for giving much love in my last video. So I want such love in my upcoming videos and this video. So let's begin with it. Let's do further. Now for the process, you are required here firstly with the white plain piece of sheet, and just fold it into half, into two parts like this, and just mark a crease and just make a pattern like so, as I am making on the like this, and just cut this pattern. So your required shape is cut, and something like so you are required, and one piece of small cardboard, not thick one and thin one for this. And now just trace it over the cardboard using pencil. This is a ethnic pattern you see in some ethnic videos. So I'm gonna try this on my Rakhi plate. So just cut out this pattern. Now your shape is also cutted on the cardboard. Now take here a green color paper and just make two out of the paper. Now see, these two shapes are also ready. Now take your Fevicol and just stick these pieces of pattern on the cardboard one, something like so, and at the back too. And guys, I hope for the best that you will be liking my video. So like this, and cut the excess where you seems it is not covered, and take one small piece of white color of the same pattern and just stick it in the center of this green one using Fevicol like this. So guys, after decorating, for the decorating I am using here this sequences. I have many shades in this sequence, so soon I will make one video related to my craft materials once again. So this, and I have already uploaded one craft materials videos on in my channel. So apply glue on the top and on the sides of the pattern, ethnic pattern, and just one by one stick these sequences. And I will be uploading and putting my craft materials video in my description box, so you can watch if you haven't watched yet. So now just one by one you stick all the colors in different ways like this. Complete the pattern. And guys, take here one small piece red color paper, and then take here a compass of size 2.5 centimeter radius, and just make a semicircle over it, and cut the semicircle out of the paper, and just stick the semicircle on the white one like this. Now let's do further. Now take here some matchsticks. So So just take it one at the once and just cut it from the top. Just mark a cut and using your finger just separate the upper part. And we have to use here upper part of the matchstick, this one, and with this you can make some other crafts, or for the later use you can keep it. Some more, take out around 10 sticks you need like this. So just make it. So guys, just apply Fevicol in the pattern of semicircle like this, and just stick these over the Fevicol in the same pattern as you have did with the Fevicol, and like this. Just stick it up to the end till it gets filled like this. I hope the video is clear to you, and if you have any question or anything, so you can comment down. So yeah, it is done. Now let's move further. So 7 total pieces you are required here, the same pattern like this. So now let's make the upper part of this. So guys, for the upper part you are required here with the circle, cardboard circle, which I have made already, and the size and the radius of the circle is 6 centimeter radius. So you can take according to your preference and how much big or how much small do you want. So now let's cover our circle. So for that, take here a red color paper and just apply Fevicol to the back of the circle like this. And just turn it away and flap it on the paper like this, something like so. Now the second thing, first you let it dry, because this cardboard is little thick, so it will take time to dry on the paper. Now it's dry. Now just cut some portion of the paper in the circular way with the scissor as I am showing you. So this much only, and keep the left paper for the other use. Now the next thing what you want to do is to curve the corners from the all sides. Now just divide it like this with the scissors, make cuts on the leftover paper. I am using this process to just make our circle more pretty sure. Now just apply again glue on the borders of the circle or the corners of the circles. And just pick it over and stick it over the glue. One by one you do with all the pieces of the paper. So see guys, covering of the circle is ready. Now just turn it away and take one more piece of circle for the covering of the back. This is a good process to cover the things. With this, the edges of the things can infinite like this, and just stick this. Now let's move further with the next process. Now take back your all the patterns. Now just one by one, using the hot glue gun, connect them. So like this, add glue to the back of the circle and just connect it like this, little bit upper to this much at the height, and just connect all the 7 patterns. And if you are making it big, so you can make more patterns like this. So see guys how beautiful it is looking. Now let's decorate the upper part of the thali. For the decoration, I have made this plaits with the yellow color combination. As you know that yellow color always go best with the red one. So just apply again glue on the borders of the thali like this, and just stick it like this on the boundary. So guys, this it's like this, and add one more of the blacks. So guys, this is done. See how beautiful it is looking, the combination. So guys, now we will make here the boxes, mini boxes for the kumkum and akshat for this thali. So one I have already made, so see how beautiful it is looking. So now let's make the another one. So take here a small lid of anything and just apply the Fevicol on it. Cover the lid with Fevicol. So now firstly, now take here a orange color ribbon. Now just slowly cover it, apply glue and cover it up to hole, and just cut the excess ribbon and stick the leftover. So guys, this is the unique idea for making the Rakhi thali at home easily in few minutes. So now after that, take here another shade of sequins, this one, blue one. Now just cover it with the sequins on the top. So add glue, a layer of glue like this, and add sequins one by one. So cover it. So guys, this is done. So see how beautiful it is looking. So now let's move further. So guys, for making the Rakhi, take here one small green color pom-pom. You can make pom-pom, I will share the link in the description box. From that video you can watch. In my old videos I have posted how to make pom-pom. Then take a needle and with inserted green color woolen thread. Now just insert this thread and just like this, something like so. Now I am inserting some pearls using this needle like this. One I have already inserted, so insert similar pearls. So guys, now cut the excess, and now cut from this side again also. Now let's make the another side similarly. So guys, insert this from the other side, opposite side like this. So now insert some pearls similarly. First in the white combination, then orange at the end. So guys, we are done with the Rakhi making also. See how beautiful our Rakhi is looking. So you can tie it from both sides like this. If you want to add more pearls, so you can add more pearls, but this is okay. So see how beautiful our Rakhi and Rakhi plate is looking. So I hope you all guys liked my video. So guys, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit the bell icon placed in the corner for getting more and more notifications. And guys, please share my video and subscribe to my channel, and happy Raksha Bandhan to you all in advance. So love you guys, and must tutorial, and must try this tutorial. It's very unique and elegant and look very beautiful and ethnic. So love you guys, bye bye, and please share and subscribe and keep inspiring. Love you guys.